Hello, bachcho. How are you all? Today we are going to learn about Chapter 13 Farm Animals. This is a farm. And can you spot the animals present on this farm? Yes, let's spot them together. This is an animal. This one, this, and this one. These all are animals which are present on this farm. And that's why they are known as farm animals. But do you know the name of these animals? Let's learn them together. This is a cow. What is this? A cow. And do you know how does a cow sound? Let's hear how a cow sounds. That's how a cow sounds. Yes, cow says moo. Here comes another farm animal, pig. And how does a pig sound? This is how a pig sounds. Yes, it says oink, oink. Another one is hen. How does a hen sound? Let's hear it. Yes, isn't it lovely? So a hen says cluck, cluck. Last farm animal is a horse. And how does a horse sound? Yes, this is how a horse sounds. It says neigh, neigh. These farm animals we learned today are cow, pig, hen, and horse. I hope you had fun learning these animal names with us. We'll meet again. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.